I did pass on one thing on the old business, and that was the letter to Funk and Bolton. It was, I had emailed the board and had advised that I was going to seek the monies that were spent on the Open Meeting Act violation from the office of Funk and Bolton. And I've not, at this point, Chip, do you have any, is there any position with Funk and Bolton on this?
Yeah, to the extent that wasn't a request of the town, I wouldn't expect a response.
Okay, so we're looking to see if there's a position of the board that would.
Well, at the last meeting, the board, I asked the question very specifically whether that letter that you wrote to the firm was an action authorized by the full council, you acting on behalf of the town, and they said no. You said you did that on your own.
And I
So
said
that's
that,
not
well, I
official.
said I had contacted the.
I know, you
board.
tried to say that by sending it to them as a draft, they somehow approved
Well, you
your action.
said in
And
some
I
way
asked
by
you-
silence
and so
that
in-
there wasn't
no,
any
and then I asked you what meeting.
Is that then the position of the board that they do not want to in turn collect the fees from Funk and Bolton for the violation of the Open Meeting Act? I mean, if that's the position of the board, then we'll rescind the letter.
Well, I would be careful of the question that was just posed.
Yeah, it's tricky.
My question was, did the letter that was already issued on town letterhead,
I'm asking if
signed
they
by
want to
the...
rescind the letter. It's that simple. If the
We
board-
didn't-
Well, they never authorized it, so why would
But
you
I
ask
think
them to
it's my
rescind it?
position.
You had
that-
no, I
It's
mean,
my, I think it is my position to do that. I mean, I look back at
you
the
can ask
charter.
whatever, I'm just trying to make sure that they're clear on what you're asking them to do.
But you're saying I don't have any authority to do that.
You can write any letter you want. The question is what meaning it has to the recipients.
So what would be a good way to phrase it to the board to just know where we stand with this letter then? Does the
I
board
have
endorse
the
the
answer,
letter?
no, I don't, that's up to you. I have the answer I asked to the question I asked at the
Well,
last
that's,
meeting.
well, I'm gonna ask so I can put this thing to rest. Does the board support this letter or not?
Or you may be saying, does the board support the
The letter.
requesting of asking for the funds back from Funk and Bolton?
Correct.
For the open
But
meeting.
the letter's
act
already been
illegal.
sent. So we should have voted before you.
Well, I can resend
sent.
this letter again, or we can just, I can in turn, like I said, we can write a new letter based on the actions of the board.
I think it dies right here.
I think it dies.
I make a motion to kill it.
I second.
So we have an illegal meeting in charge of
It was an opinion, Susan. You forget
It's not a
the
legal
one word in
meeting.
the dictionary
Opinion.
that starts with an O, and it's opinion. Okay? Opinion.
All right, I've got something.